Hi, third grade. Let me first say that it was so nice to see some of your faces yesterday, and I hope that many more of you can join us next time. So we will try to schedule another Zoom conference together at some point next week, okay? So according to Grace, the intro lesson videos were helpful, so we'll bring those back. Today is your overall lesson for Friday the 27th. You are going to, in religion, work a little bit in your textbook. You're going to watch a video on the resurrection eggs, and you're going to color the fifth station in your booklet, okay? Keep it in your folder. In math, you are going to check your answers with the answer key on my teacher page for page 46 with division with remainders. And then we are going to, there's another video there that you can watch if you need it for practice. It's the same one. It's in my math playlist, okay, if you just want to review that and hear it again. You're going to complete page 47 in your 19-1 packet. It's more practice with division and remainders, okay? Check your answers with multiplication. I want you to write that. I write them in on my answer key. I want you to practice doing that, okay? And then there's a multiplication game that is on Brain Pop that you can try. Just do that for some multiplication fact practice. And there's a hint on my teacher page. You might be clicking on the factors and thinking, why isn't this going? I know 3 times 5 is 15. What's going on here? Well, the factors have to be touching. You've got to find a 3 and a 5 that are touching somehow and click those, and then it'll work. Okay, that hint is on my teacher page. In language arts, you're going to just do a little bit of handwriting practice, just 1 page in your workbook, so you'll need to dig that out. Do a really nice job because it's just the 1 page, so focus on your formation and your different strokes, okay? Make sure you've got your page, your booklet tilted. Make sure you are sitting nice and straight. In language arts, our focus is going to be today on writing and a little bit of reading comprehension. So you're going to go in your folder and you're going to get out your Find the Evidence packet. You're going to go to the page that is about Dr. Seuss. It's not the first page, it's the second page. And you're going to complete this with your crayons. Once you finish that, there's a Brain Pop on poetry that you're going to listen to, and you're going to need your language arts notebook. You are going to put in the table of contents Dr. Seuss challenge, and your challenge is to write a poem in your language arts notebook using only 20 words, and you can repeat those words, but you've got to stick to within 20, no more than 20. That's the challenge, okay? In word study today, you're going to work on your packet 1 with your spelling list 1, and you are going to finish up the last 2 pages in this packet. It's 2 pages. So the 1 page is your color-coded words, and the other one is the coding, which I know some of you really like, so that'll be fun. The other word study assignment that you have is to make flashcards. I know not everyone does this, but I would like you to. If you don't have index cards at home, you can just write them on paper and cut them up and make your own, okay? Most of you should have some sort of paper that your parents will be okay with you cutting up to make flashcards. Today, really, the assignment is just to make the cards and then maybe put them in a plastic baggie or inside your word study folder to help you prepare for your word study test on Tuesday, next Tuesday, okay? And last but not least, you are going to do your science is today, let me scroll down here. What are we on for simple machines? Today you are on screws. So you are getting there. We only have 1 more left to do on this that we'll pick up with on Monday. So today you'll watch your video on screws, you'll go around the house, you'll find your screws in your household, and there's a really cool video, a couple of them on the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, and you'll see why when you get to science, okay? So have a great weekend, and I will check back with you guys on Monday.